Hello guys, Kamagani. So, can we talk about how stunning this purple is? I found this perfect two-piece bandage kurta and dupatta set on Meesho, and it's officially my new summer favorite. Cotton, comfy and chicks. And you know guys, this kurta set only under 300. This outfit is an absolute steal for every summer wear. What do you guys think for this look? Rate this look from 1 to 10 in the comment. Thank you for watching guys. मिलते हैं next video पर. Till then bye bye. Signing off for today. अगर लिंक चाहिए तो कमेंट करो. बाय बाय.